Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to review and apply the Moitié Cosmetics 10-day lash kit. So if you'd like to see how they look, then just keep on watching. So I was kindly sent this package from Moitié Cosmetics to try out their 10-day lash kit. I was so excited to try them out and see how they wear, as I absolutely love wearing eyelashes. So the first step in the kit was to clean my natural lashes before applying any products. So I went in with a cotton bud and some micellar water just to make sure that they were nice and clean. Next I picked up the pair of lashes that I was going to apply, and I chose the style Paris. I then picked up the outer corner lash and applied the Bond glue. Then with the applicator I applied it to the lashes and it went on and stuck really well. I worked my way around the eye with each strip lash, applying it with the applicator and then the glue. It can be hard at first to get the hang of these steps, but once you get going and have a few tries, it does get easier. While I'm applying the other lashes and repeating the same process, I thought I'd let you know a little bit more about this product. So these lashes do last 10 days and they are waterproof and sweatproof, meaning that they would be great if you go on holiday or looking for a natural but glam look. They are also windproof too, so they aren't going to come flying off anywhere. After I applied all the lash segments, I made sure to squeeze them all together with my natural lashes, then gave them 3 to 4 minutes for the glue to dry and set. I then went in with a spoolie brush just to brush them into place, and I was super impressed with the results, and they feel really lightweight on the eyes. I then took the sealant, which bonds my natural lashes and the ones that I applied together, and it gives them that little boost to last the full 10 days. So you guys, this is the finished look. I absolutely love how these lashes turned out, and I can't wait to wear them and wake up glam every morning for 10 days. Moitié Cosmetics kindly sent me a 15% off code for all my followers, so all you have to do is apply NAT15 at checkout on www.moitiecosmetics.com. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.